Hello, good evening everyone. All persons who are responsible for deducting tax at source, that is TDS, or who are required to collect tax at source, TCS, must obtain TAN number. TAN, that is tax deduction or tax collection account number. It's a 10-digit alphanumeric number issued by the Income Tax Department. We will refer to as TAN. Before entering into the online procedure that how to apply for TAN number, let's have some discussions upon the structure of TAN. First 4 digits of TAN are alphabets. The next 5 digits of TAN are numeric and last digit is an alphabet. First 3 alphabets of TAN represents the jurisdiction code. Fourth alphabet is the initial of the name of the TAN holder, who can be a company, firm, individual. Online application for TAN can be made from the website of NSDL TIN, as it is clicking in the link which is now showing in the slide. Form 49B is freely downloadable from the website of Income Tax Department. TAN is allotted by the Income Tax Department on the application submitted online at NSDL TIN website or offline to TIN FC managed by NSDL. NSDL will intimate TAN to the applicant at the address specified in the application. Documents to be submitted along with TAN application. No documents are required to be submitted along with application for allotment of TAN. However, for online application, the signed acknowledgement which is generated after filling up the form is to be forwarded to NSDL. Here are the guidelines and documentations details which we have to submit while applying for TAN. The guidelines with clear instructions at every step we need to follow carefully. The documentation detail must go through as it will be needed at further steps. Now it is the form number 49B. That is the form of application for allotment of tax deduction and collection account number under section 203A of the Income Tax Act 1961. We have to put here directorate name, name of organization, name of the Department of Revenue and name of Ministry of Finance accordingly. Here in this page, the name of the person who is responsible for making the payment need to provide. Then fill all that data accordingly which will be asked to give. Same data filling will be continued here as per the required field. Now here you have to select the options, as if you are representing individual then you have to click as an individual. If you have to represent Hindu undivided family, you have to click here. And then you have to choose Shri, Srimati or Kumari, and after that you have to written over there your last name, first name, middle name, and after that branch of individual businesses you have to give over here regarding your last name, first name, branch name, middle name, and in this way you have to fill all the relevant fields. Now in this slide you have to again mention your address, write the full address, write your telephone number or mobile number with STD code and also mention your email address. Now here you have to click if you are representing as an Indian, and if you represent as a foreigner then you have to click as a foreign. Then as a permanent account number box you have to give your permanent account number, that is your PAN card number, and in the right hand portion you have to give your signature, and before the signature you have to click on the declaration form, and on the declaration form you have to give your name, your capacity, that is you are representing individual or company or others, write the place, and after signing this page this procedure will be completed. After the form is submitted online successfully, an acknowledgement is displayed. This shows a unique 14-digit acknowledgement number. This acknowledgement must be saved and printed for further process. The acknowledgement form must be sent to the Income Tax Department. Application for TAN necessitates payment of Rs 63, that is including service tax. So This is an easy, user-friendly process with clear instructions and guidelines at every stages. You can follow the steps in applying TAN when you wish to do it online. To get more information on this relevant topic, you can also refer to our website, that is www.helpmybiz.in, your friendly neighborhood tax office. Thank you.